to fix Instagram professional dashboard stats wrong. So to fix a wrong or stuck stats on your Instagram professional dashboard, you can start by toggling your account type. So what you can do is open your Instagram app. Now go to your profile at the bottom right corner, then tap on the menu in the top right. Now scroll down to for professional section, tap account type and tools, then tap on account type, then select switch account type, then tap switch to personal account. Now tap switch to personal account to confirm it. Now once confirmed, go back into the same menu and select switch to professional account. Now the next thing what you can do is clear the app cache on your Android device and reinstall the app on your iOS device. Now the next thing what you can do is clear the app on your Android device and reinstall the app on your iOS device. Now on your iOS device, go to the existing Instagram app, then tap and hold on it. Now tap remove app and then tap delete app to confirm it. Once deleted, go to your Apple App Store, find the Instagram app and then reinstall the app to your device. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.